Hello members, I still welcome you, whoever is still watching us and learning from us. I'm Kole Julius Levin, still presenting to you the basic Excel tutorials, and this time we're going to be looking at multiplication. I think we all remember multiplication. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 10, 20. 5 times 5, that's 25. So that's the same way that we're going to learn. So we are going to learn how to multiply values, cells, columns, or any figure in Excel. So just sit back, watch and learn. This time we're going to still use our sheet, which is div, where we still have Maggie's bar. Remember last time we found out the number of items that Maggie had in her crates, the number of crates that she had bought. Now this time we want to find if Maggie bought 50 crates of soda and each crate had 20, how many items were in the 50 crates? So we want to look at we want to find the product or the multiplication. So that means for example, we were used they used to tell you that Jane bought a cloth at 2,000, then she did this and this, just like that. That is simple multiplication. So what we shall do here is, remember, equal signs always begin our work. So I'll say I'll say equals I want this one. We use this time a sign called the asterisk. At times it's called the star. So I put a star times which one? Times this one. So after that I just hit enter. I think you see, that's the magic. So it has multiplied this value by this, giving us 1,000. Let us do it one more time. I'll say equals I'll say M21 times N21. So I'll hit enter. Still I get the same thing. So it has multiplied this by this. Still, as I told you, let's prove and see if that is right. This is our calculator. Let us try to see if we say 70 times 25. What do we get? Wow, that is 1,750. So that means that is our multiplication. So what you have to note here is a star. A star means multiplication, or the asterisk. So after that I can still go to autofill and I just enter the rest automatically. So I think that's the right answer. Here she had 480. Here she had 108. Let us try to see if here she bought one crate and each crate had 12. What would be the answer? Yes, 12, because she has one crate. So each crate has 12 bottles. That means she still has only 12 bottles. If she bought 10, what would happen? 10 times 12, giving us 120 items in the 10 crates. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned.